Good morning all. Today I'm going to show you how I make little pendants, little wall hangings from offcuts. So this is oak. It's been stained green with the crimson guitar green. And I've got some leftover oak from a sign I've just done. And I'm going to use that to make a bunch of these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rip it down. And it's too thick, so I'm going to rip it length and width and see what we have to work with. Hope you like it. Okay, there we have it. That is oak. Typical Maori type pendant. I had to be careful not to make these points a bit too sharp. This is for my son. I'm going to stain it now, see how it looks. Stain I'm going to use is one of the Crimson Guitar Stunning Spirit stains. This one is cherry red. I do love this stuff. It gives a great finish with really minimal applications. Let's get it all around there. I'm not too worried about fingerprints. You definitely want to wear gloves when you use this stuff. It will most definitely stain your skin, and it is quite an issue to take off. Alright, looking good. Alright, that's how we're looking so far. We have got our first bit of stain, and I put one coat of lacquer on it just to see how it would look. I'm going to give it a quick wipe down with some 1000 grit sandpaper just to really polish it up. And then I will lacquer it again. Well, I'll lacquer it a couple times. I really want it to shine. And use a bit of automotive clear varnish, lacquer, and just spray this lightly. See, I've got some nylon on there so I can hang it so it can drip dry. That's it. Okay, there we go. That's all done. So you got that one, that one. No finish on these ones yet. That one, that one. Just a bit of oak offcuts. Now I will get between 15 and 50 pounds individually for these ones. So before you throw away a bit of offcut, just think maybe there's something else you can do. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and share if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.